Welcome to Network Boats, and today we'll be counting down our picks for the top 3 best jet skis under $10,000. Let's begin. Number 3, Kawasaki Jet Ski SXR. We're delighted to see the Kawasaki Jet Ski SXR in this mix because it's the contemporary version of the original single-rider stand-up personal watercraft that Kawasaki first debuted to the world in 1973. Its MSRP is $1 less than the $10,000 cap. The 957 pounds of thrust will propel you to speeds of around 60 miles per hour, thanks to a powerful 1,498cc 4-stroke engine blasting water via a 148mm axial flow jet pump. The SXR is also much larger and heavier than previous stand-ups, with a curb weight of 551 pounds and a length of 8 feet 8.5 inches. As a result, most riders say their riding is more stable and predictable. That means you'll have a shorter learning curve and can start having fun right away. Number 2, SeaDoo GTI 90. The SeaDoo GTI 90, with an MSRP of $9,099, is the cheapest full-sized model in this manufacturer's lineup, with a spacious swim platform and the ability to accept their Link storage system. That means you can add dry stowage compartments, an external fuel tank, and even a cooler with fishing rod holders. A watertight dedicated phone compartment with optional USB port, wide-angle mirrors for towing water sports, a 4.5 inches digital helm display, and automatic intelligent brake reverse are among the other features. The Rotax 899cc 900 Ace provides the power, and its 10 feet 10 inches long, 668-pound Polytech Gen 2 hull can reach speeds in the low to mid-40s. The fuel capacity is 15.9 gallons, the rider weight capacity is 600 pounds, and the stowage space is over 40 gallons between the glove box and a front bin, allowing you to carry more stuff than other personal watercrafts. And number 1, Yamaha WaveRunner XC. The Yamaha WaveRunner XC is a slightly longer, by 7.9 inches, and wider, 4.3 inches, platform than the EX series, and it weighs 701 pounds. It is powered by the same TR1 engine. The redesigned seat design is curved for increased comfort, and the footwells are bigger and have drains. Overall, the VXC is more comfortable to ride for extended periods of time than most budget-conscious personal watercrafts. It can take a little more chop, and it has a little more stability and predictability. It also has a much greater stowage capacity of 30.1 gallons and a fuel capacity of 18.5 gallons than the EX series. This makes it suitable for longer excursions or whole days of riding when multiple people can take turns, transforming that fuel supply into enjoyment. The VXC has an MSRP of $9,149. And this completes our list of the top 3 best jet skis under $10,000. Which one do you think is number 1? Let us know in the comment section below. For more, subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other popular videos.